Triumph has produced a Thruxton worthy to carry the name to the next generation of owners. The styling and attention to detail lavished on the Thruxton is second to none. The parallel twin engine is a little lacking in character, but nothing that a set of loud pipes wouldn't rectify, and many owners favor refinement over character anyway. The RS handling is right out of the top draw thanks to excellent brakes, suspension and chassis balance, and the electronics marry the whole package together. The Thruxton models have the same geometry and wheelbase as the Speed Triple, which shows you how dedicated Triumph has been to ensuring they handle properly. These are no style queens, it's all go as well as show. The R version adds Ohlins shocks and Showa BPF to the party with Brembo brakes for even more sporting prowess. The clip-ons are a little uncomfortable over distance and the seat is firm, but what do you expect? Triumph's parallel twin is a very quick engine and spins up rapidly thanks to a lightened crank when compared to the Bonnie T120 models, but it is refined and calmed down thanks to its electronics package. This is no brute, it's an elegant motor with bags of refinement rather than pure brute force. Triumph has lavished huge amounts of time and effort on the Thruxton, and the level of detail and finish is excellent, especially the little touches such as the seat's inbuilt stand that stops you scratching the paint when it is removed. The motor's service intervals have been extended to 10,000 miles, which is also good news.
Adlawan ako'y naina-ina, gwapa makalike yung kasiyahan. Confirm your friend yun niya, bisag tanawon sa akong notification. Unya nag-online ko, naga-online na siya. Werteng malasa, nakalagaut na siya. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka makita. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka machata. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka komentan. Kay ang status mo, it's complicated. Advance, wala kay oras. Akong nabantayan, wala ka sa internetan. Di ko mangandoy kay pagkakapoy. Status mo palang unlike sa kong dughan. Unya nag-online ko, naga-online na siya. Werteng malasa, nakalagaut na siya. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka makita. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka machata. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka komentan. Kay ang status mo, it's complicated. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka makita. Sa Facebook, nalang di ka machata.